Hello everyone, so nice to see you again. My name's Ted and it's time for math class. Today we're going to study lesson 3. Our topic today, our title is multiples of numbers. Multiples of numbers. Do you remember what we have been studying? Multiplication, multiplying, times. Right. Multiples of numbers is connected to multiplication. Multiple, multiply, multiplication. Okay, let's look at our key expressions. Please listen very carefully to the key expressions. After you hear them, please repeat them. We will practice hearing and we will practice speaking. Here we go. Here is key expression number 1. You can do multiplication using skip counting. You can do multiplication using skip counting. Here are some multiples of 2, 5, and 10. Here are some multiples of 2, 5, and 10. "12 is a multiple of both 3 and 4. "12 is a multiple of both 3 and 4. Multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. Multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. And number 5, the list of multiples of any number is infinite. The list of multiples of any number is infinite. Okay, great work. Those are our 5 key expressions. Now we're going to move on to the lesson. Please listen for these key expressions. Okay, welcome back. Here we are at the chalkboard. Today's lesson is called Multiples of Numbers. Multiples of numbers. Let's take a look and find out exactly what this means. You can do multiplication using skip counting. Skip counting. What is that? Well, counting is easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. That's counting. To skip means to miss. Skip 1, miss 1. Skip counting. So we could go 2, skip 4, skip 6, skip 8, skip 10. Skip counting. Skipping one number in between. We can do this with any number we want. So multiplication can be done using skip counting. You can do multiplication by skip counting. Here are some examples. These are multiples. These are multiples of 2, 5, and 10. Here are some multiples of 2, 5, and 10. This is also skip counting. Watch. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We skip 1 each time. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Those are all multiples of 2. 5. 10, 15, 20, 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Those are all multiples of 5. You skip each time. 5, skip, 10, skip, 15, and so on. Here we have multiples of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. These are multiples of 10. Now you notice some numbers you see more than once. 10, 10, 10. Some numbers can be multiples of more than one number. 10 is a multiple of 2. 10 is a multiple of 5. 10 is a multiple of 10. And so on. Another example would be the number 12. Many numbers go into 12, so 12 is a multiple of many numbers. 12 is a multiple, for example, of 3 and 4. 12 is a multiple of both 3 and 4. If we use skip counting, 3, 6, 9, 12. 12 is a multiple of 3. How about 4? 4, 8, 12. 12 is a multiple of 4. Therefore, 12 is a multiple of both 3 and 4. Both 3 and 4 go into 12 evenly. Here we see again the multiples of 2. Multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. Dot, dot, dot. And so on. Dot, dot, dot. What does and so on mean? Listen again. Multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. That means it continues. 12, 14, 16, and so on. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and so on. 30, 35, 40, 45. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and so on. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Well, and so on means it continues on and on and on and on and never stops. That's called infinite. Infinite means goes on forever. Infinite here means continues forever. Doesn't stop. Therefore, the list of multiples of any number is infinite. All of these lists are infinite. There's no end. They continue forever. Okay, lots of good stuff today, right? I think so. Please remember to think about it, review it, repeat it, whatever it takes so you remember it. Before we say goodbye, let's do a quick review together. Okay, time to quickly wrap up our lesson for today. Multiples of numbers. We learned that you can do multiplication by skip counting, skipping numbers. 2, 4, 6, 3, 6, 9, 4, 8, 12, and so on. We looked at multiples of 2, 5, and 10. We learned that 12 is a multiple of both 3 and 4. Many numbers are multiples of more than one number. 10 is a multiple of 2, 5, and 10. 12 is a multiple of both 3 and 4. We also learned a very important thing. Multiples of numbers go on forever. There's no end. They are infinite. In other words, the list of multiples of any number is infinite. It never ends. But unfortunately, our lesson has to end today. But we'll be back again. And I'll look forward to seeing you again next time. Bye-bye.